Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm not going to be doing a tutorial. It's just more of like an informational video for this little snake that I made. And there will be a free pattern in the pinned comments. I can also put in the description. I noticed there's not a lot of videos on YouTube that are just strictly patterns, which I find a little weird. It's more just like tutorials. So if you're more advanced and just want the pattern, this is what this video is for. Now, if you do want a tutorial, I'll be more than happy to do that. Just let me know in the comments and yeah, we can do that for you. So this snake is approximately 33 inches long and it works out to about 3 feet. Now you can make it bigger or smaller during one of the rounds, which I forgot which round it is, but I will locate it and just put a special note for you in the comments because it's pretty much the body of it. So you do your head rounds and then the body is the same 9 single crochets. So you could just add more or less rounds depending on the size snake you want. So this snake is a little bit smaller due to the yarn that I chose, but I really like the colors. This snake is it's thicker than this snake, and they're the same size. And for this snake, I used this yarn, which I really like. It's super soft, and I used a 5mm hook for this snake. And then for this snake, it was a little bit thicker of a yarn. It was super bulky, and I used, I think it was a 6mm, so it ended up being thicker because your stitches are bigger. And then for the tongue here, I used this brand of yarn. It's in some kind of Asian language, so I'm not sure, but I did use a 3mm hook with it, and I thought it worked out pretty cool and perfect. So yeah, but they're both Chenille yarn. Hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. I should know, but you know, I don't. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the pattern in the pinned comments, so make sure you look out for that. And just another note, for this tongue I did use cotton yarn, and it actually seems to, I think, stand out a little bit better than this tongue, but I like the color of this tongue because it matched the snake a little bit better. This one just was like a red tongue with a multicolored blue body, where I wanted this tongue to match this snake. So yeah, make sure you check out the comments for the pattern, and if you like this video or want more simple videos with just the pattern, let me know in the comments, and please consider liking, subscribing, and commenting on this video to show your support. It definitely helps. Thank you. Have a great day.